my name is Kit Wu and I'm from Kit Wu Enterprise. My latest collaboration with Vivo, and I'm inspired by their latest model in Roman Black. I created an oversized shirt with elongated piping details. True to my DNA, the tardy details can be seen at 360 degrees. The inspiration behind the shirt is office wear meets unconventional fashion, in which I married the austere nature of workwear with a bit of chaos and upgrade. Vivo is very open to support and work with homegrown brands, and I believe they have a platform that can help propel businesses with collaborations like this in terms of PR and exposure.